Hello and welcome back to my channel, everybody. This is Alinka, Alicja, just in case you're new. And if you haven't done so already, give this video a like and subscribe. So today's video, we are outside in my garden just because I want it to be a little bit more free and natural with it as it comes to the topic of this video. As you may know already by the title of what you're watching currently, is we're going to be talking about menstrual cups. In fact, we're going to be talking about the menstrual cup that I have used for the last week or so. To start off with, I hope you're all having a lovely day. Let me know how you're all doing in the comment section below. I have become quite interested in menstrual cups in the last couple of months. To be fair, maybe a year or so. I've seen Safia Vergara use one on her YouTube channel. I've also watched Jess Greenash do a video on this maybe about a month ago or so. And that was the point where I thought, I keep researching this, I keep watching these videos, I keep reading about this menstrual cup, I keep doing everything but buying it, I guess. And every single month I get my period. I'm always using pads, and honestly, I dread it. Every time that I get my period, I don't really like basically buying these things every month or every couple of months. I have to stock up, and it's just a waste. Well, not a waste of money, but in a way it is. I'm just feeding more and more and more money into something, and it's just so chaotic to be thinking about every single month, oh, I need to get tampons, oh, I need to get pads and get panty liners, and it's just like, for me, I don't want to. And also the tampons and the pads that we always get as well, a lot of people flush it down the toilet, which is bad. Not the pads, hopefully, but the tampons that we use, a lot of women, girls, teens, we seem to be flushing them down the toilet quite a bit. So I kind of thought of to myself, I want to do something else. I want to try something else. And this is where I decided to just pull the trigger. After watching all these videos, I went out and I started researching. Now, when I say I started researching, I mean I started Googling any website I can get myself a menstrual cup. It is quite hard to find them here in the UK, especially in Oxford. I don't know, maybe they're more available in the bigger cities like London or Birmingham or Manchester. However, for me, it was quite difficult. I have noticed they are mostly available online. So I found the Diva Cup. Now the Diva Cup, after a little bit of research, it is a Canadian website and Canadian production, which does actually distribute and sell in different countries. And in the UK, they actually sell in Superdrug and a place called Avocado. And even though they're also online based, I've not actually seen physically a menstrual cup at a Superdrug here in town. I actually went the other day, and again, I didn't really see one, even though I wasn't technically looking for it, but I don't really know if they physically have it in stores. However, they do come in 2 different sizes. There are 3 sizes online, but I think there's 2 sizes available to buy here in the UK. And I kind of was about to buy from Diva Cup, however, it just wasn't working for me. It didn't feel like it was the right thing for me at the time. So I kind of went off and kind of learned more and more and more about these menstrual cups. And after watching Jess's video, that's when I kind of went on the website that she had in her description, which was Echo Earth. I googled that, and again, they had 2 sizes, a medium size and a large size. And obviously, menstrual cups are intimidating, guys. I will just put that out there. They look intimidating. They're not, but they do look very intimidating, especially holding it in your hand or looking at it online on the screen and you're like, oh my god, what? But yeah, so I decided to go for it, and I bought it from there. It was about £17 plus £3 delivery, and at first I was like, oh my gosh, it's a lot of money. But then breaking it down, you're buying pads, which are about £5 or £3 or £4, depending what brand you get. And then about you get tampons, again about £3 to £5. And you have to change them nearly every single month, and overall, within 10 months, you're spending maybe £30, £20 for something that can last me for years to come, if I'm just going to use this one. I mean, it seems like a fine thing for me. So the box that it came in was this little box, and it was all handwritten. I'm covering my address. Inside, they seem to have used their Instagram, so you can find them on there. Definitely check them out. It comes inside these little things. I think it came within a day or 2. maybe 2 to 3 days. It was extremely quickly. I think I ordered it on like Wednesday and I think I got it on Friday or Saturday. The actual cup itself came like this. It looks fairly simple, and when you open it up from both sides. In here you actually get a little pouch that you keep it in, and in here you actually get the cup itself, as well as all the instructions and all about it you may want to know. It's all in different languages, which is really nice. And it's all fair trade, which I found really nice as well for our environment, and obviously vegan. And it also comes for directional use, so it gives you 3 different ways. So you get the C fold, you get the S fold, and the punch D fold. This is the actual pouch. I'm very, very, very pleased with this. I love it. You just kind of put it in when you're done with your period, or if you're not using it. Opens up like this, and you can obviously close it like this. My cup is like this. Now if you've noticed, the end bit is cut up. The reason why is because you're gonna see in the video as you watch along, but they are cuttable to fit the way that you please. I've actually found out in this whole process that you could have a very low or high or medium cervix, which means it kind of depends where it's placed in your vaginal canal. But as you learn, you kind of learn where your cervix is. In this whole process, I found out what kind of cervix I have, and I then cut it to suit that. And how the cup basically works, kind of how I feel it. When you pop it in there and it expands back, it kind of helps to sit there and it just collects all the period by not dripping. There's actually another video, if I recall correctly, by BuzzFeed. They actually did where a lady used a lot of different cups from different brands that you can suit yourself. So there's definitely a lot of different ones that you can try out and find the perfect one for you. For the next half of the video, I'm going to take you along on my journey of using my menstrual cup for the first time. Hi, I'm back. It's like a little bit later, and I'm in my bathroom and I'm just about to put this in. Okay, so this is the cup, and the way I'm putting it in, I'm going to put it in this way. And yeah, I decided to basically get into the shower and do this because I got no idea, and it's like my first time. So I've got the thing and I'm kind of using it this way, and I'm also using a mirror. I use mine to help me to kind of look down there and just kind of see what I'm doing. Okay, so I think it's in, and I don't know if you could hear that, but it sounded like yeah, and I think that's it. And I'm about to go to the library, so I'll just kind of, guys, keep you updated and stuff. So I'm at the library. I'm just gonna thought I'd do a little video update. This is my first time going to the toilet since basically the tip of it is like coming out. And with my 3 fingers, I'm just going to just kind of push it back in and just see. Okay, hello everybody. It's 22:26 right now. I've just wanted to do like a 5.5 hour update on where I'm standing with the menstrual cup. The way the cup sits is definitely so much lower than your tampon would. Basically, where you have your opening. It's like 1:45 midnight now, and I'm just kind of getting ready for bed now. So what I read is that you do not pull it out. So it's collected like a lot of it. Like, I'm shocked. Also, the nozzle that I was talking about that you can trim. So like you trim this one and then you trim up to here. Good morning. It's 9 AM and you can't see me because I just woke up. Last night it felt fine. Like right now it feels fine. There's no leakage. Okay. So I'm just in the bathroom at uni and I I've had this in the knees since 9:30, so I thought now it's 4:20 and I thought it would be a good time to kind of take it out and kind of clean it out and stuff. That's really easy and so quick. It's the morning of Saturday, which means I've been on my period for 2 days now, and I've reused the cup now 3-4 times. So last time I changed it, well, last time we spoke I was at uni, but then I also got home about 10, and then I actually waited till about 11, changed it, and then I kind of went to sleep, and now it's actually 11 a.m. So it's been exactly 12 hours, so I'm kind of interested how much has like filled up and stuff. But I basically wanted to cut the trim, like cut the like the tip off. It's very comfortable to sleep in, like you literally don't know you have it in you. It's really good, because when you have like a tampon or a pad, obviously you can feel like the squishy, and then you have to get up in the morning, and then you have to change it, or like if you tampon you have to change it every like 4 hours. I brought my scissors and I recommend cleaning them, so we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna put the little bit in here, the little thing it comes, the little pouch it comes with, because yeah. So we've kind of cleaned everything out now, and I've got my scissors, and basically the actual tip finishes here, so I'm going to cut in between these two. And so that's kind of how it looks now. If you're still watching this video, thank you, I really appreciate it. I hope that my period me has helped in some way or form. Overall, my experience is great. I will probably give it 11 cups of water out of 11 cups of water, just because even though it took a minute to get used to it at the beginning, I do want to say that once it's in there for 12 hours. I think I've had it the shortest amount with about 6 hours and the longest about 11-12 hours, and never have I leaked. And you know how you have to have tampons and pads, you have to change at least every 3 to 5 hours, which is just a hassle, especially at night when you wake up and it's just like a massive slush bath. But with the menstrual cup, it just collects it all for you, and you kind of just can go on with your day. And even though it can take a little bit longer at the beginning of the day, it counts for the rest of the day and the rest of the time you're going to be using it. So with that case, and because of how easy it is, it doesn't feel, I do want to say that it doesn't feel like you have it in you. It genuinely just feels so nice and relaxed, and it just sits there and it just does its job. And I think it's lovely that it's just one less thing to worry about when you're in your period, especially when you have terrible pain, especially the first 2-3 days. I'm out. So having that one less thing to worry about, and going in and not having to worry about changing things, especially for like a 10-hour shift or something, you just pop it in, go on with your day, come back home in the evening. As you're taking a shower, you can empty it out, clean it out, and pop it back in whilst there and there, which I have done actually pretty much every single day. I do want to say thank you for watching my video. Again, if you have liked it, please subscribe, leave me a comment what was your best part about it, and always stay kind, stay humble, and always do you guys. Mwah.